Hi everybody, today we are going to do fitness challenge number 2. Fitness challenge number 2 means we are going to come up with some new exercises and we're going to take the information and put it into a bar graph. A bar graph? Oh yeah, a bar graph. And a bar graph basically takes a lot of numbers that are all jumbled up and a lot of information, puts it into an organized chart of rectangles, and it allows us to see information pretty easily. I'll show you how this is done. So first I've got to make my bar graph. It needs to have a title. My title is called Fitness Challenge, and it's Fitness Challenge number 2. Fit. Make sure you can see it. Fitness Challenge. It's our CH. Blend. J. There's that G that sounds like a J, and a magically fitness challenge number 2. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is make our bar graph. Along one side, you're going to probably use a ruler, and we're going to make a straight line. So make sure my ruler is nice and straight. I'm going to draw my line. And on the bottom, I'm also going to make another line. This is what our bar graph is going to look like. On the side, we're going to put some numbers. I'm going to go up by increments. It's a fancy word to show how we're going to go up on our side bar graph. So here I go. First, right where the two lines intersect, I'm going to put the number 0. And then what I'm going to do is use my ruler, and on every inch, I'm going to go up by 5. So the inch, easy to look right here. From the first line to a number is 1 inch. Here's another inch from 1 to 2. From 2 to 3 is another inch. From 3 to 4 is another inch. So I'm going to use my ruler to make the marks going up by inches. So I'm going to start where my 0 is, and I'm going to line up my ruler right where the 0 is. Make it easy for me. And I'm just going to make little marks. So here I go. By the number 1, by the number 2, by the number 3, by the number 4, by the number 5, and the number 6 way at the top. Might be hard to see, but it's there. Since I start with 0, my next little mark, I'm going to write the number 5. And in between the 0 and the 5 will be little tick marks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm at 5. My next number, I'm going to put number 10. And I'm going to do little tick marks. 6, because it comes after 5. 7, 8, 9, and there's 10. After 10, if I'm counting by 5s, 5, 10, 15. A 1 and a 5. And again, I'm going to put my little ticks. After 10 is 11, 12, 13, 14, and there's 15. If I'm counting by 5s, our next number would be 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm going to put 20 right there, and my little tick mark starting at 15 to get to 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And my next number, again counting by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. A 2 and a 5 way up at the top. And my little tick mark starting at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and way up here. If I'm counting by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, a 3, and a 0. Now at the bottom of my bar graph, I'm going to write down the challenges that I'm going to do to see how many I can do in 1 minute. So the first thing I'm going to write down right here is going to be jump rope. I'm going to put a little tick on my bottom one, and I'm going to write jump rope. Next thing I'm going to do is dips. That's going to be using a chair, so I'm going to write dips. And the next thing I'm going to do is step ups. Step ups, and that's using a chair as well. And the next thing I'm going to do is stairs. I'm going to run up and down the stairs. If you don't have stairs, you could just pick something else. You could do something like running in place or something that you did in fitness challenge number 1 just to see if you've improved. I have a lot of stairs, so I'm going to go for it. And then my final one, star hops. Hops. Okay. Looks like I have everything written down that I need, but I need to collect the data. So I'm going to see how many times I can jump rope in 1 minute, how many dips I can do in 1 minute, how many step-ups, how many stairs I can climb in 1 minute, and how many star hops I can do in 1 minute. Then we'll come back, and we'll make our very cool bar graph.
That's great. It's Fitness Challenge Part 2. We gotta protein up, people. First thing, make sure you're eating healthy. Lots of protein, lots of vegetables. You know it, vegetables. Very good for you. So here we go. Now that I've made my bar graph, now I'm ready to get some data. The data is gonna be how I exercise, how many jump ropes I can do in 1 minute. So here I go. Don't worry if you can't do this, it's hard. But always remember, try your best.
we have chair dips. Just need a good chair, and you're gonna put your feet out, and you're gonna try to just use your arms. Also, tricep muscle, as best as you can. As many as you can do in 1 minute. If you wanna make it harder, you can put your feet out straight. It's up to you. Try to bend all the way to a 90-degree angle, and then back up. You can do one leg if you want, switch legs, whatever works for you. Next we have step ups. You just need a sturdy chair. You're gonna put 1 foot at a time up, step, come down, step. Switch legs, up, step, come down, step. Here we go. As many as we can in 1 minute. Remember to count. Next we have the stair run. You go up, turn around, come down, as many as you can. 1 full set is up and down. Here we go. Our final exercise is star hops, because you're a star. Here we go. Do as many as you can, and when you're all done, we're gonna graph our results and kiss our muscles. Whew. That was a really good workout. I'm all sweaty, but I also have all this information and it's super messy. It's hard to even know. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my information and I'm gonna organize it on the bar graph. Now I've noticed something already. I was able to jump rope 125 times in 1 minute. And my cool bar graph that I made, I only went up to 30. I'm gonna show you how to fix that little problem because you might be surprised by your own results. You might have to go up a little bit higher. We'll work it out. So first, I'm gonna start with jump rope. And jump rope, I've got 125 jumps in 1 minute. So right here, it says jump rope. I'm gonna take my ruler and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna trace all the way up to the top because my jump rope blew out my bar graph numbers. So it's way above 30. So I'm gonna go all the way up. And then inside right here, I'm gonna write my number big because it's pretty awesome. 125 jumps in 1 minute, and I'm gonna underline it. Now my next one is dips, and when I collected my information for dips, I got the number 20. So here's dips, and I'm gonna go up 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm gonna take my ruler, and I'm gonna look where exactly 20 is, across right where dips is, and all I'm gonna do is trace my rectangle ruler all the way down. I'm gonna look, yep, there it is. I'm gonna just even out the corners. Next is step ups, and step ups, I did 24 step ups in 1 minute. So here's 20, now I gotta use the ticks. 21, 22, 23, 24, so right under 25. And I'm putting my ruler on top of step ups. And I'm gonna trace around my ruler to make that really nice rectangle all the way down. Work out the corners a little bit. And we'll be coloring all of these colors later to make it really sharp. And my next exercise was stairs. I was able to go up my stairs and down my stairs 12 times. So I go 0, 5, 10, and then I use my ticks, 11, 12. Take my ruler, and since I'm moving over, I might need to make a little bit of a mark to help me. So there's stairs. I'm at number 12, and I'm just gonna make a little mark. Now I'm gonna trace my ruler again all the way around to make that rectangle right by the stairs. And on my last one, star hops. And star hops, I got 37. Again, I blew up the chart. So I only went up to 30. So my star hops was 37 in 1 minute. So I'll take my ruler, I'm gonna trace it all the way to the top, right on top of star hops. All the way to the top. Here I go. And move my hand a little bit. Boom. And then inside, I am gonna write the number. So star hops blew it off the bar chart, and I'm just gonna write 37. Okay, bar graph is not finished. Next, we need to add some colors so it's really easy to see which exercise I was able to do the highest number and which exercise I was able to do the lowest number. I'm gonna go grab some colors and I'll be right back. Well, my bar graph is all complete and I can really look at the data. Looks a lot better than a jumbled list and it looks extremely organized. I can tell right away which activity I'm really good at and can do a lot at, and I can also see which activity might need to practice a little more to get up there. So I can't wait to see what you do. Keep exercising and keep having fun.